This is the help video for Chapter 8, Problem Solve 2. I'm working on Step 3, where we're going to build an unmatched query. Remember, when you use the unmatched query, you're going to use the wizard. So let's analyze what we're going to do. So we're going to select employee ID, first name, and last name. And we want any employee who has not made a sale. So the sale information is in the purchase table, right? So that's where we get these two queries. So we're going to show employees where there's no purchase made. So let's begin by doing create query wizard, find unmatched wizard. And then remember, on this first screen, this is what you want to display, right? So this would be our employee table. And then this would be where you're looking where there's no match for that employee. So that would be this purchase table. So you want to see a list of all the employees who are not in the purchase table. So you can see that the employee is connected to the purchase by employee ID. Right, so these are going to show employees that have not made any sales. So that's good. We're just going to go ahead and do next. And then on this screen, you're going to place what you want to display and the results. So that would be employee ID, first name, last name. Next, we're going to call this qryEmployeeNoSales and finish. So we have 3 employees that have no matching record in the purchase table, so they have not helped a customer that has purchased something. So very good. All right, so we're going to go ahead and close that. We're all done with step 3. And the next movie will be on, well, you know what, let's just do it. We're only at 2 minutes. Let's do it. It's another unmatched, so let's look at it. Create a query based on table customer and table purchase using the find unmatched query wizard that lists customer ID, first name, last name, street address, city, state, and zip code. Okay, so all of that's from purchase. From table. So we want to list customers that have no sales, and then we also want those to be limited to New Mexico. So let's begin the query just by doing our query wizard and work from there. Okay, so I'm going to come up here to query wizard, unmatched. So this will be the table that we want to display the results, and that's the customer. This is the table where we're trying to find no match, which is purchase. So these are customers who have not made a purchase. It's already linked on the customer because there's a relationship between those tables. Next, and then this would be what fields we want. So customer ID, first name, last name, street address, city, state, zip. Next, we're going to call this qryCustomerNoSales. We're going to finish, and we get, these are all of the customers in our customer table who have not made a purchase, which is okay, except we also need to modify this because we're only interested in those customers that live in New Mexico. So the wizard did 99% of this, but we have to go and add our little criterion in there. So I'm going to go, let's see, where am I at here? I'm going to go home, change to design view, and we're going to add in the state in the same row as the customer ID is null. We're going to do not equal to quote NM quote. So not equal to New Mexico, right? Oh, does not live in New Mexico. So I read that wrong, sorry. So it's customers, all the customers not in New Mexico. So we're going to run it and we get our 2, and that's correct. These 2 people do not live in New Mexico. So we can save that again because we modified it. And then we're done. That one's done. Okay, thank you.